Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to use the ReshapeX document editor. So we have a quote open here. We'll just take a quick look at it here. You can see it's got all the information we need, some objectives, a little description. But let's say we want to make the description a little bit longer. So we can just hit the / button here, and that will prompt the different options we have here in the document editor. So you can use AI to generate content. You can just add a text block. You can use headings. You can use bulleted lists, numbered lists, to-do list. You can put code in there, tables. You can see the whole list here and scroll through as you wish. Images, videos, audio files, any type of file. It's really cool to be able to put that stuff in there. So for this one, I'm going to use AI to generate some content. And I'm just going to say, write me a few paragraphs on the benefits of switching from manual palletizing to robotic palletizing for food manufacturers. And I'll hit this. So this is something you might want to add in your quote, right? You might want to add some supporting information. So as you can see here, it'll give you this. Maybe it's a little bit too big. Let's just say summarize this into 4 sentences. And there we go. We'll accept it here. The other thing you can do is once you have it, you could also reformat it, right? You can then use the same AI button here in the document editor to say, separate these sentences into bulleted format. And then it gives you that. So then we'll hit replace selection here, and then we're good to go. Okay, let's say you want to go in and add a video as well. Same sign there, just type video. You could also embed the link in here as well if you wanted to. For this one, we'll upload it, and we'll just use another one of these videos that we've been making here just to use as an example. So you can see that video was placed in there. So that's a good opportunity to take a quick video and put it at the top of the quote to explain, what you're sending to the recipient. You can, place some video of their plant operations in there, some simulations, whatever videos you want. Anything you want to add to the quote, you can do so there. And all of these, the editor tools are also available in different ways, right? You could use the plus sign, and you get the same options here. I like to use the / because it's kind of a keyboard shortcut that makes things quicker. A lot of these things are also available up top. Images, videos, files, everything's available up top. So yeah, that is how you use the